All right, let's learn about the circle of fifths and the benefits of doing it. So the circle of fifths basically teaches you which scales have which sharps in it and flats. But today we're just going to look at the sharps. So it all starts with the key of C, because the key of C has no sharps and no flats. Now the reason it's called the circle of fifths is because 5 is an interval you can go up in. So for example, if we're on C and we want to go an interval of a fifth, you count it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you count the letter you start on, any in between, and the one you end on. So that would take us to G. So the key of G would be the next in the circle of fifths. So now the key of G is going to have 1 sharp, because the key of C had 0. The next one in line is going to be 1. Now the 1 sharp you're going to have is F sharp. So a little trick for this is whatever scale you're doing, the sharp that's going to be added is just the one that's right below the key you're doing. So we're doing the key of G, the sharp is going to be F sharp. So watch this. All right, so there's the key of G, 1 sharp, which is F sharp. We want to remember that F sharp. So now we go up a fifth from G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 takes us to D. So now the key of D is going to have 2 sharps. It's going to have the F sharp because all sharps get carried over. So we're going to have the F sharp, and then the new sharp is just going to be 1 below the key we're doing. So C sharp. So there's the key of D, has 2 sharps, F sharp and C sharp. And you just keep going. So now the next one is a fifth up from D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 takes us to A. So now, as you may be able to guess, the key of A will have 3 sharps: F sharp, C sharp, and now a new sharp, which is the one that's right below our key A, so G sharp. So here's our 3 sharps. And we can keep going. So now from the key of A, go up a fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it takes us to E. I'm just going to drop as an octave so we can hear it better. So here's the key of E. As you may be able to guess, it's going to have 4 sharps: F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and now a new one, which is a step below E, so D sharp. So the key of E will have 4 sharps. And we'll do one more. So up a fifth from E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 takes us to B. I'm just going to bring us down an octave. So it's going to have 5 sharps: F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, and then finally a new sharp. 1 step below B is A, so now A sharp. So this one's going to have 5 sharps. And that is how the circle of fifths works.